Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today, opening up my very last hobby box of Rogue One. This is Rogue One Series 2. And I will say this is definitely the last hobby box of Rogue One Series 2 that I'll be opening. Not that I'm disappointed in it or anything, just I have plenty of it. And I have most of the autographs from it. Just missing like 3 or 4, I think. Which, there's no sense in trying to get them out of boxes. And I picked this up from Oliver Sports Cards in Wichita, Kansas when I was on a out-of-town trip. And he gave me a good deal on the boxes, so I picked them up, and this is the last one of them. So let's see what we get. Alright, I'll probably go through them. We've gone through these a bunch of times, so I'll just point out interesting ones that I like. There's Jedha Destroyed inserts. You are guaranteed one sketch card. I don't know guaranteed, but every box I've ever opened or seen open has a sketch card. So hopefully we get a nice sketch out of this. There's a blue Bodhi's Gruesome Test with the portcullis. There's a sketch right there. I'm not going to show the rest of it yet. I'm going to save something for the last Rogue One opening I did. It's kind of boring the rest of the way because I already knew what the hits were early. Watching the Skies, there's a gold Infiltrating the Citadel. That's 21 out of 50. TIE Fighter Pilot and Death Trooper. The Dread Darth Vader. Feeling the Destruction blue. There's some inserts. Nice Jyn Erso. It'd be really awesome if you get an autograph and a sketch in one box. I've done that 2 or 3 times opening this. But you can get, they do have patch cards that you might get as well. Which I'm not a big fan of manufactured patch cards. But I know that they use that for a lot of the hits in Star Wars hobby boxes. But maybe we'll get lucky. There's those. I think I turned that the wrong way. There's an Admiral Raddus sticker. Those are cool. Hard to get stickers in Rogue One stuff. Disabling the Shield in green and Enlist Now in the Galactic Empire. Death Star's Arrival. Inserts. These are 1 per box. The poster cards. This is Cashin. Those are really cool. That would be a nice set to make. There's, of course, the incredible work the special effects team did with the Grand Moff Tarkin. That's numbered. Baze's Malbus' Last Stand. 70 out of 100. And some inserts. They Don't Know We're Coming in green. Baze Malbus. I'm fighting this camera. find a good spot for it here. Okay, there. Taking out the AT green and some inserts. Sorry about that. Caching makes contact. Trust goes both ways, green, and inserts. I have my tickets for Last Jedi opening night fan event. I'm gonna try to take some video if I can of some of the crowd so you can see all the cool costumes and stuff. And that's going to be really fun. Can't wait. Just a very short week or so away, or a couple weeks. Of course, the trailers have been awesome. Can't wait to see it. I'm ready. There's some inserts. Should be very, very, very good movie, I think. Blue Catastrophic Collision. Oh, there's our autograph. So we did get an autograph and a sketch card. All-Star Petrie as General Draven. I do have him. And he was also in Sherlock. If you're a fan of that show. So it's a pretty cool auto. Put that over here. But I do have that one now 50, so I'll probably be selling that one or trading it for one I don't have. There's a green Imperial View of Scarif, and there's those. So that's another reason why I'm probably not going to be buying any more boxes of Rogue One stuff, because I don't want to get duplicate autos and stuff. Just kind of a waste of money, even though they're fun to open. Just rather buy stuff that I can get some new autos or newer product with newer stuff. There's two Sharut pulls the switches in a row, a black one. Imperial Guard. Remnant of the Jedi. I love that opening scene, the hunt for Jyn. Black entering the data room. And there's a Darth Vader continuity card. Green Trust the Force. Bistan, the Space Monkey guy, sticker. Boy, this pack is not opening very easy at all. I'm just gonna cut it. I don't. Maybe this has something awesome since it's so hard to open. Mon Mothma, Rebel Alliance card. Hey, Darth Vader continuity. This is a numbered Vader Cautions Krennic, 28 out of 100. So we got 3 numbered cards. Battle on the Beach green, and our inserts. Alright, now to analyze this sketch card here. Alright, so first let's see who it is. It's Ben Abu Sandu. Okay, don't recognize the name, but let's see. Oh, it's K2SO. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Nicely done sketch. I like that one. Nice K2SO sketch. Pretty detailed by Ben Abu Sandu. Have to see what his other sketches look like. Alright, so we got a nice sketch. Numbered out of 100 Vader Cautions Krennic. We got an autograph of All-Star Petrie as General Draven. We got another out of 100 Baze Malbus's Last Stand, and a gold Infiltrating the Citadel out of 50. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.